This video will show you how to add a configuration to a quote. Configurations can be added in the quote's line item tab. Make sure the Add Line Item box has Configuration selected. Click Go. A pop-up box will appear. Here you can add either a new configuration or an existing configuration. In this video, we will show you how to add a new configuration. To start, click on the drop-down box under the new configuration and select Easy Quote. Click Continue. This will take you to the configuration interface. You can change the configuration name, and the configuration name will show up as the line item description on the quote. Once you have a meaningful configuration name, click Continue. This is the body of the configuration. Each page has a Save button. This is a setup form. You have to make a selection for how many subgroups you want for the quote. You can have up to 10 subgroups, and each subgroup can have up to 50 items. Each subgroup will have a subtotal shown on the quote. For example, you can have one subgroup for watering parts and another subgroup for fans. The Easy Quote Configurator works in conjunction with the Easy Quote Excel form. You can always download the latest form from the welcome screen or from this link. Once you download the zip file, you can open it and open the Excel form. Then go back to WorX and hit Continue. The group name will appear as the title for the subgroup and be shown on the quote. We will put watering parts in our example. Now switch to the Excel form and make sure you're in the Quote Form tab. Enter the quantity and part number for the group. Now copy the quantity and item number of the first group only. Do not copy any column headers, and then paste them into the WorX paste area. Click Validate. You should see the item description and pricing being filled here. If the part number is invalid or obsolete, it will say either item not found or item not saleable. When that happens, click Reset. Make the necessary change in Excel. Copy all items over to WorX again and click Validate. You could delete or edit items from the paste area. To delete an item, first click Reset, then highlight the item and quantity and delete it. Please note that you cannot just type in any item and quantity and add it in the paste area box. As you can see below, the program will not be able to read the line correctly. Once you are done with the group, click Continue. Repeat the same process until you're finished with all the groups. This is the last page. Click Configure. Once you have clicked Configure, the configuration is saved and it will take you to the configuration page. Please wait for the blue line to disappear. Click Add Quote. This will take you back to the quote interface and you will notice that the configuration is added. If you need to go back and make changes to the configuration, hover over the hammer and wrench button in the line item and select Edit Configuration. This will send you back to the beginning of the configuration interface. After you make your changes and go back to the results page, select Update Quote. It will then update the quote and take you back to the quote interface.